Learning English Speaking. For more of this interesting and wonderful educational content, please support us by clicking the subscribe and follow button. Thank you all.
Father, good morning, my son. How are you today?
Son, good morning, Dad. I'm well, thanks. How are you?
Father, I'm fine too, thank God. Today is a new day at school, right?
Son, yes, today is the first day of school this year. I'm excited and nervous at the same time.
Father, this is very normal, my son. Going back to school always brings stress and anticipation. Did you have any special preparation for this school year?
Son, yes, I tried to be prepared. I have a new school bag and school supplies, and also a list of things I need to do on the first day.
Father, good job. Getting ready for school is very important. Do you have any goals you would like to achieve this school year?
Son, yes, I want to get good grades and be committed to my school assignments. Also, I would like to participate in extra school activities this year.
Father, these are great goals, my son. I will always be here to support you and help you achieve it. Feel free to ask any questions or concerns you need to address.
Son, thanks, Dad. You are always encouraging and helpful. I believe I will be able to achieve my goals this year.
Father, I'm sure of that. Always remember to work hard and be responsible, and you will definitely succeed. Also, don't forget to enjoy every moment of school and discover new skills.
Son, I will do it, Dad. Thanks again for your support.
Father, always, my son. Have a great day at school and an amazing school year in 2023.